Hello.
And two manufacturers.
Ryan's here, Jacob's here, and Thomas is here, and we are here. They're watching a movie trailer for the... Hey, what movie is this? The Protector. Yeah. And it's so like on back. It's retarded because, yeah. I want to go watch it tonight, but I had the movie at home. Well, not The Protector, but yeah. Well, yeah. Okay.